That is the question. Which one is which? Before you are two different root beers. Please taste it first. This one is more of an amber color, huh? A little lighter. Bouquet. Oh, excellent. Perhaps aged vanilla, perhaps. Number 2. This one is a little darker. Oh, arc. We have an arc. I am guessing perhaps more bitter. Darker. More bitter.
I think that one belongs to this one.
This you say belongs here.
This one.
May we? And this one, which it is?
Yeah.
You have correctly identified the balls. The balls, and you don't like it. The balls.
No, I do. But it's stronger than
the balls. Is the balls.
Should we make some lunch or?
Perhaps, 100 more types of root beer.